Winter storm warnings remained in place for parts of New York, Michigan, Pennsylvania and Ohio on the day, with lake-effect snow expected to hit parts of the Great Lakes region. According to the latest short-term forecast from the National Weather Service, heavy lake-covered snow is expected to move downwind from Lakes Erie and Ontario on Wednesday and Thursday. Michigan's upper eastern and lower northern regions could expect 6 to 16 inches of snow, accompanied by wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour, through Thursday. Meanwhile, New York's Chautauqua and Cattaraugus counties will likely see additional snow accumulations of more than 7 inches through Thursday, and some parts of the region already received nearly 5 feet of snow over the weekend. It can be seen in several videos circulating on social media that a number of areas in New York have experienced extreme weather over the last few days.
Not the sight you want to look at when you open the garage door. That's my Ford 4x4. And
winter storm warnings have been issued for parts of Michigan through Thursday and for parts of northern and western New York and northeast Ohio through Friday. A lake-effect snow warning is also in effect through Thursday evening for parts of northwestern Pennsylvania and western New York. Cities like New York, Chicago, Atlanta, Minneapolis and Cincinnati will feel the bitter cold throughout the week, with temperatures expected to be 10 to 15 degrees below average.
We have been here for the last 4.5 hours in the same spot.
not the sight you want to look at when you open the garage door. That's my Ford 4x4.